What if the secret to a stronger, calmer you was in a simple, ancient touch? In our busy modern lives, men often forget the importance of real rest, not just sleep, but deep, healing restoration. Male wellness massages are more than a trend. They're rooted in tradition, passed down through generations for a reason. These sessions aren't just for luxury. They improve circulation, reduce stress, and help your body recover from both age and effort. Whether you're in your 30s or your 70s, this time-tested practice offers benefits you can feel. And if you're ready to explore ancient techniques that support modern health, you're in the right place. We share honest, traditional wellness insights made for men who value strength with peace. So go ahead, subscribe now, and take the first step toward a more relaxed, recharged you. Number 1. The ancient origins of male wellness massages. Male wellness massages are not a modern invention, but a timeless tradition rooted in ancient healing systems such as Ayurveda, traditional Chinese medicine, and classical Greek therapy. For centuries, men across cultures have relied on touch-based therapies to restore strength, balance energy, and maintain mental clarity. In ancient India, oil massages were used to stimulate circulation and remove toxins from the body, while in China, techniques like Tui Na focused on aligning energy pathways to promote internal harmony. These therapies weren't reserved for the sick. They were a regular part of healthy living. The techniques were passed down through generations, emphasizing the body's natural ability to heal when nurtured properly. Today, these age-old methods are resurfacing in modern spas and wellness centers, where men are rediscovering their value. Understanding the roots of massage adds purpose to the practice, reminding us that wellness isn't just about fixing what's broken, it's about preserving what's whole. Embracing this ancient wisdom helps modern men recharge, not just physically, but spiritually, grounding them in centuries of healing knowledge. Number 2. Physical benefits of massage for men over 40. As men reach their 40s and beyond, the body begins to show subtle signs of aging, tight muscles, slower recovery, persistent fatigue. But massage offers a time-tested way to counter these effects naturally. Male wellness massages support the muscular system by increasing circulation, breaking down knots, and promoting better flexibility, which becomes essential as muscle elasticity begins to decrease with age. Massage also helps the lymphatic system flush toxins from the body, reducing inflammation and improving immune function. Regular sessions even contribute to better sleep quality by lowering cortisol levels and stimulating serotonin and dopamine production, hormones linked to relaxation and mood stability. Over time, this simple practice becomes a foundational tool for aging gracefully and maintaining a strong, resilient body. It's not about vanity. It's about longevity. Men who prioritize massage often report increased energy, mental clarity, and a deeper sense of well-being. Rather than waiting for pain or stress to become overwhelming, proactive self-care through massage allows men to stay ahead of the curve and enjoy life with greater ease, vitality, and confidence well into their later years. Number 3. Mental and emotional healing through touch. Beyond muscles and joints, male wellness massages offer something often overlooked: mental and emotional healing. In a world that expects men to remain stoic and strong, the power of safe, therapeutic touch can bring quiet relief to the mind. Massage lowers anxiety by calming the nervous system and slowing the breath, creating a rare moment of stillness where tension, both physical and emotional, can finally be released. It's in these moments that deep-seated stress, sometimes held in the body for years, begins to dissolve. Massage also supports emotional balance by stimulating hormones like oxytocin, the bonding chemical, which fosters feelings of connection and trust. By simply allowing oneself to receive healing touch without judgment, a man can access the kind of peace rarely found in modern life. This is not weakness, it's wisdom. Letting go of stress through massage helps men return to their families, careers, and responsibilities with more patience, clarity, and heart. It's saying it's okay to rest, to feel, and to heal. Emotional strength often begins with physical stillness. Number 4. The right way to choose a massage for wellness. Not all massages are created equal, and for a man seeking true wellness, knowing how to choose the right type of massage is essential. Different techniques serve different needs. A deep tissue massage targets chronic tension and is ideal for men with physically demanding jobs or intense workouts. On the other hand, a Swedish massage focuses on overall relaxation and is better for those dealing with high levels of stress or sleep disturbances. Thai massage involves stretching and joint movement, which can benefit flexibility and mobility, especially for men with stiff muscles or aging joints. Cleanliness and skill should be non-negotiable. It's also important to communicate your needs and any areas of discomfort to ensure the session truly supports your goals. Whether you want stress relief, pain reduction, or better sleep, being specific helps your therapist tailor the experience to you. Ultimately, a good massage isn't just about feeling good, it's about healing with intention. Selecting the right method and provider transforms massage from a casual experience into a personal wellness ritual, tailored to strengthen your body and calm your spirit with purpose. Number 5. Building a massage routine for long-term wellness. Wellness is not built in a day, and the same is true for the benefits of massage. To truly unlock its full power, men must treat massage not as a one-time treat, but as a consistent part of their health routine. A monthly or bi-weekly schedule allows the body to recover more quickly, keeps muscles loose, and gradually corrects chronic issues like stiffness or back pain. Over time, this consistency leads to improved posture, fewer injuries, and deeper sleep. Just as we brush our teeth daily or exercise regularly, massage must be integrated into our rhythm of self-care. Physical strain or seasonal changes also makes the benefits more strategic. Adding supportive habits like hydration, stretching, and sleep hygiene enhances the effect of each session. Wellness is a holistic path, and massage is one pillar among many, but it's a powerful one. For men who want to age with strength and live with balance, building a massage routine is both a wise investment and a timeless tradition. When done consistently, massage becomes a quiet ally in your journey, helping you stay grounded, energized, and ready to meet life's challenges with renewed vitality and inner peace. Conclusion. Male wellness massages are more than just relaxation. They are a return to tradition, a reminder that strength begins with care. From ancient healing roots to modern therapeutic benefits, massages offer physical renewal, emotional balance, and lasting vitality. For men of all ages, especially those over 40, regular massage can be a powerful tool for longevity and peace of mind. Embracing this practice is not indulgence, it's wise self-maintenance. Build it into your life as a ritual of strength and stillness. Subscribe for more time-tested wellness insights and start your journey toward a healthier, more grounded version of yourself today.